Thanks very much, Bruce. Although power tools have almost all but replaced the daily need for a handsaw, the handsaw still is a very valuable tool for the true handyman. Would you agree, Dan?
Oh, absolutely. I have several different models in my garage, and I use it to cut wood all the time. My problem is they're always a little crooked, and Rosie, you're going to have to help me on this one, because I watch people that go and they measure and they cut and it fits. I measure, I cut, and it's like this far off.
That far off.
I cannot figure out how I can measure, cut, and be completely off.
Well, in about another 2 minutes, we'll get it where it's just that far off.
It's progress.
We can bring you that much closer, Dan. You know, saws are rated, look over here, by how many teeth per inch. Now, what we have here is a drywall saw, and it's a fairly aggressive tooth design. When I say saw, most people think of the typical carpenter, what we call cross-cut saw. This is a 10-inch a 10-point per inch. This is my old standard 8-point per inch, and this is what we'll have you cutting with here in just a minute.
If you're going to have one saw in the house, is that probably the one you want to have?
I think I would go with the shorter if I just had one. Less chance for the blade to get bent, and for a homeowner, it'll get most of the work done that you'd ever need.
Oh, okay.
But here's the key to a good cut. First, a sharp saw.
This is where I'm going to learn, huh?
That's right.
Yeah,
that's
sharp
right.
saw, because
sharp saw.
Can you sharpen those? You just have to get a new one.
Oh no, a good cross-cut saw is going to set you back about $50.
Really?
And a saw like this will last you almost a lifetime. And it's just about $7 or $8 to sharpen it.
Oh.
So, how about 24 inches?
24 inches. Okay, I got some 24 inches.
Okay, now look close, Dan. At 24, draw what we call a crow's foot.
Uh-huh.
Put the pencil at the point at the crow's foot, take your speed square, and slide it till it contacts your lead. Make your mark.
So that's another thing you really need if you want to cut straight, huh?
A speed square helps a lot.
Speed square.
Using your thumb as a guide and the butt end of the blade, back drag 3 times.
Because if you don't start straight, you're never going to finish straight?
That's right.
Maybe that's my problem.
45 degrees. Grip very lightly. This is not a death grip. Point your index finger to your work. Don't do that.
Just like your finger sticking out in a baseball glove.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
Okay? The secret is put your weight on the work. The mistake I see most...
I usually wait on the work, but you're saying put the weight on the work.
The mistake I see most carpenters make is they don't anchor their work. They're using a dull saw. Their strokes are too short, and they're going around, and that's why you can't get a square cut.
You've not work, haven't you?
Now, Dan, weight your work.
Okay.
45-degree angle, finger pointing forward, long. My wood's wet. There.
Want me to do that for you, little fella?
There. Long.
Right. Here we go. Okay.
Smooth. Don't grip too tight. Don't grip too tight. Let the saw do the work.
Maybe that's my problem. I've just been...
Don't force it.
Nice and smooth?
Just long strokes. Good long strokes.
There's a little work. Oops.
Oh, you're there. You're there.
Nice. Fast strokes good. Hey.
He wanted it 24. Dan, you're within a 64th of an inch.
Really? You know what? Just smooth, like everything in life, right? If you do it nice, easy, and smooth.
Most people want to muscle that saw through the work.
It's like our one bright moment in the day.
If you'll just let the saw do the work, take a relaxed grip, and let the weight of the saw and the sharpness of the saw do the job, and let's check you for straightness here real quick. Doesn't get much better than that.
Not my life. All right, well, thank you very much, Rosie. That was... Tara?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What are you laughing at?
You guys are so funny. Doesn't get much straighter than that. Nuh-uh.
Okay, you tell me something you think tops that.
You know what? Nothing tops that, Dan. In fact, I got excited just like you did at the end. I could tell you were racing to get that thing off. Did you feel you were coming close to getting the whole wood off?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was going to use the word, but somebody might take it wrong.
All right.
C-L-I-M.
Bye, Dan.
See ya.
Thanks, Rosie. Oh, that was pretty funny. There's nothing like a good visual aid to enhance learning. I think one teacher may have gone